Aloha everybody, I'm Aiko. It's A-I-K-O, Yikes Aiko on Instagram. And today I am with Seeley in Oahu, and we're going to show a couple of my go-to poses. Something new, something fun and comfortable for the model and of course the photographer as well. So hopefully you learned something from this, or if you want to learn something that we didn't cover, go ahead and leave a comment down below, or you can message myself or Seeley and we'll go ahead and get back to you. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it. Aloha!
Some of y'all might remember her because her last video was the most watched video I've done in the last year.
Have everything prepared, like location-wise. What are you looking for in a shoot? Like, do you want bikinis? Do you want clothing? Be pretty specific. Don't just show up and be like, whatever you want to do.
Some of y'all called it clickbait because it didn't have a lot of info, it just had a lot of her in a bikini.
Normally how it is.
So what we're gonna do to fix that is we're gonna have more of her in a bikini. But this time I'm gonna have her show you her 5 favorite model poses.
Pose number 1 goes like this. I like the straight leg. I still have the curve in my leg, which gives something to do with your left hand. So just place it, sometimes I go here, sometimes in the back, depends if I move my chest forward or out. Right hand, right here, and it gives it like that curve and a pull right here. So just like this, curve, this, back, like this. And you can put your hand up, down, play with it. So I put my hair back on this one. Left leg out. Shoulder, drop. Or you can grab like this. Right here, not like this. Not like this. Knees. Don't want to close. Just keep them open. And you sit. Roll. Hands forward. Back.
Yeah.
You can also use your hands to play with the bikini. Hands can also go up, just like this. You can also actually get on your knees and bounce more, like this. You can lean to the side a little.
Alright y'all, so those are some of her favorite poses. Hopefully you will have some better idea of what to do when you have a model that doesn't know what to do. But I'm going to let her take it from here because she needs to practice her own YouTube stuff. Ready? Go.
Well, I hope you do learn something from this. Although they were very simple and basic, it's one of the most seen ones on Instagram and on any basic photos. They can really show your figure, and so it's really fun to play around with for the photographer, for the model. So it's really knowing yourself, and you can stand in front of a mirror and do it. And just learn, just practice, practice.
And more practice.
And more practice. Make sure you follow Yikes Aiko and Seeley Photo.
Steely? There's no T in my name.
Seeley! Seeley Photos.
Steely.
Sorry.
Alright, so if you learned something new, give it a like, follow. We'll see you in the next video. Aloha.
I'll do a standing one.